The first place that we got traction and notoriety was because we figured out how to measure the open OTT ecosystem or peer-to-peer, sharing and streaming of media. And the reason why, that was so difficult was because there's no cookies, there's no device IDs, there's no SDK. It's kind of the wild, wild west of, hundreds of millions of consumers streaming and consuming movies and television shows all over the world. And at first, our traction was people licensing that data to try to, figure out better the value of distributing content or licensing it. But really, what we realized was this huge capability gap across connected TV and over the top, where kind of the legacy data management platforms and solutions that were used to cookies and device IDs were kind of lost in this connected TV ecosystem because there's no cookies, there's no device IDs, SDKs aren't practical. And so really where the big kind of growth for Tru Optik has been is as we've shifted away from the peer-to-peer and open OTT, licensing that data and used our technology and capabilities to be kind of the only data management platform for connected TV. So we have the largest third-party data marketplace that can be used across connected TV. We have partnerships with the LiveRamps and Experian and Neustar, so brands can use their first-party data to average on connected TV. And then we have the only cross-screen audience validation solution that we're going to be really rolling out pretty soon across connected TV. So we're kind of all in. Some people know us kind of from our legacy, how we came apart, but really where we're kind of seeing our business explode is being kind of this data-driven marketing solution across connected TV.
Cool, and tell us about a couple of alliances with Videology and Ninth Decimal.
Yeah, so a couple months ago we announced that Videology selected us as their partner to do data management and audience segmentation across connected TV, not just domestically here in the US, but in other markets around the world we'll be working with them. And what that allows them to do is the same branded data partners that they've successfully used for their clients across desktop and mobile, or solutions across automating linear television. They're now able to use those same data partners across connected TV. The other thing that's really exciting about that partnership is we work with them to build an opt-out system for interest-based marketing. So the same way that people can opt out from cookie-based marketing on a website, with our partnership with Videology, people can also do that across connected TV, which is really raised the bar in terms of privacy and capabilities in the space. And then the other thing that we're really seeing is people want to better understand, as more ad dollars are shifting to OTT and connected TV, what is the ROI and how to do attribution. And so our partnership with Ninth Decimal that we announced last week allows people to say, hey, this household that saw an ad on Apple TV or Xbox or Samsung Smart TV, what have you, did one of the inhabitants of that household, anonymously and all privacy compliant of course, with their mobile device, they saw an ad for Sears, did they go into a Sears? They saw an ad for a Yankees game, were they at Yankee Stadium? And really being able to show that kind of real world offline attribution, location based, is another exciting thing that we have some big brands that are starting to take advantage of.
Where do you sort of see the market going in OTT?
So, the bulk of the growth over the last 18 months and over the top has actually been on ad-supported solutions. So the TV Everywhere apps from the Foxes and the Turners and the Viacoms, etc., and the straight to OTT solutions like a Crackle and Hulu. That's actually where the bulk of the growth has been domestically in the U.S. I mean, obviously there's ad-supported and subscription services, but the ad support is where we're seeing more growth. So I think we're going to continue to see that trend, which means having capabilities for decisioning and targeting are becoming paramount for everybody. I mean, everybody's kind of playing catch up now. And one of the things that we've really been most saying at Tru Optik is, the future of TV is not this abstract thing, 24 months from now. It's really now, and it's not just cliche, it really is. And so, I think there's kind of three core things that people need to really pay attention to when they're thinking about spending dollars across connected TV or picking vendors is, can I leverage third-party data? Can I leverage first-party data? And can I really tell what the incremental reach is across connected TV as opposed to what I'm doing across digital and linear? And those are kind of the three things that I think are really helping to mature the industry.